Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well today, staying hydrated, living your best life, checking in with your friends, your family, your heart, and your mind above all things. My name is Janae and I typically post home decor and lifestyle videos right here on the YouTube. And today we doing some of that. It's not really home decor. Today we are actually in the packing process, the fun part, because we have movers that are coming tomorrow. And even though our new place is only like 15 minutes away from where we live now, I have learned as an adult, stop trying to move on your own. I mean, okay, there were times when that was my only choice because that's how money was and that was the reality. But then I learned just put a little bit of money away in case something like this comes up, because moving yourself is the absolute worst, or at least it was in New York City, because I always happened to live on the top floor of a building with no elevator and moved in the summer every single year. I thankfully have already gotten a head start. We've got some bins here. I pretty much cleaned out my whole closet, got this almost together, and then I did majority of my bathroom. I know it really looks like I haven't done much actually, but I did do a lot. There's like 6 bins already full of things. There's more bins back here too. Oh wait, the bins. I need to tell you about these. This is also a great life tip for anyone who is going to be moving ever. Instead of trying to find boxes around town or buying boxes around town that you then have to build, tape together, then you have to break them down at the end and find somewhere to donate them or drop them off for recycling. And life is already crazy enough. Why make it crazier? If you didn't already know, there are these companies that will rent out plastic bins like this. They drop the bins off at your current space a week before your move or whatever you decide, and you have all of those days to pack up your whole home in the bins. And then after you move, they come and pick the bins up from your new location. And it is just so seamless. It is so easy. Instead of having to deal with cardboard boxes, paper cuts, dry ass hands. Who wants that? Nobody. We should go check and see how Shelby's doing. I'm guessing not well. Mama, how's it going?
Hi.
Hi, you look so cute in your Sue Bird shirt.
Don't judge me, please. Enough.
What? This is not paparazzi.
Not you. No judgment. Get my face, please.
All you do is judge me every day. I don't see the problem here.
No, I don't.
Wow. At least you got all these things off your shelf. What is this? A puppy
Wrapping
book?
paper.
Oh.
Housewives wrapping paper.
Comment down below if you're a Bravo person. Do you watch The Housewives? If so, which city is your fave?
Oh
we
my
need
gosh.
to know.
Wow.
What?
Who's gonna gift me, boo?
Hey,
Happy holidays, darling.
What's up?
Jingle bell Luann. Oh, bless
Who's gonna give me, boo?
Wow, Santa. Wow. Wow, Bethany.
Wait,
wow.
what is this line from Nene? Mary Bloopmas? She like, bloop, bloop. That sounds like Dorinda. Clip, clip, clip.
I made it nice.
Okay, well, we're gonna come in and check on Shelby later. She's got some things in bins. Baby making progress. Usually with moving, the tricky part is what to do with your plants. I think I'm probably just gonna put it all in a bin and then leave the bin open, and it shouldn't be that difficult. Hopefully the movers have moved larger plants before, because we gotta get these big boys over to the new house. Well, we made it downstairs and we are actually going to make some lunch. Something we both struggle to do. Comment down below if you can relate to just not ever making lunch and then skipping it and then getting very hungry at 4 p.m. and then eating whatever you can find. I love how we decide to actually cook the week we're moving.
You know.
We got this marinated chicken from Trader Joe's. We'll definitely let you know our thoughts. Got some mini cucumbers we're gonna chop up. We also got these cauliflower thins. I've seen like 1 or 2 people on the internet talk about these, and we're gonna see what we think because we both really love bread. But are trying to balance out our bread intake a little bit better because we were eating it every day.
Like more than once.
Y'all, you have to see this.
I mean,
look, this pack of cauliflower thins says warm up.
a short stack with a drizzle of maple syrup. Joe, this isn't pancakes. It's not a substitution for pancakes.
Would y'all eat cauliflower pancakes?
No.
Put Joe on the phone. Put Joe on the phone.
We're about to throw the whole store away. You keep this up.
Joe about to get got. Feta pepper drop. Did we already say it? Oh, I did share it. Tasted it. Honestly, I will say this. Best thing I've eaten at Trader Joe's, no cap. I'm not being dramatic. Now what wasn't lit, it was not even close to being lit. I took it off my plate. It was so disgusting. This cauliflower thing, I will never ever buy this again. Would you buy this again?
Hell no. We should have known when we read the back that he thought this was as good as a pancake.
A pancake. But I don't know what Joe did to these. Now we're about to run out because we need to get some like bubble wrap for our very fragile kitchen items, but we want to drop this off at our landlord's house because we really are going to miss him. He lives literally right in front of us. We live in his backyard, but he is so sweet and has honestly been the best landlord either of us have ever had.
So fly, Will.
Only man we spoke to in all of 2020. Oh, hey girl, hey. What's up?
Yeah, I know some people fighting. Baby, it's for something real. But the truth that they are hiding, it's nothing that I fear. And I know that hate is mindless, covering every possible kiss. So tell me why it matters.
The movers called and said that they are like 25 minutes away, and that was like 15 minutes ago. So we're moving fairly quickly. Shelby's hustling. Looking good in here, mama.
Thanks.
Bye, room. Goodbye, demon couch. See you never. Goodbye, demon rug. See you never.
No words.
Literally.
There are none.
Done, no words.
No words.
You know, they say moving is one of the highest causes of divorce. You know, I heard that.
No, it's getting divorced, getting married, and moving
Are the three most stressful.
things in life.
Oh, I think that's the statistic I was thinking about.
I was like, what?
Her brain.
I mean,
It's
maybe
great.
they do cause divorce. I don't know. It's stressful, but we seem to be doing okay.
We seem to be doing
We're
okay.
not married or anything.
Not
But basically, all
Anyway.
the commitments, none of the benefits.
true. The last time we saw you guys, it was yesterday. We are in the new house now. We've been moving. I'm like wobbling around. Sorry, my back is like, it's not having it.
We didn't do any lifting, but
Yeah, we didn't actually move anything except for a few things, but it was a lot of standing and
overseen
overseeing from a distance.
yelling through a mess.
Yeah.
Like a bedroom to the right.
And that has caused our back to hurt. If you have not seen the empty apartment tour yet, please go to the description and watch that video. And if you don't care or you have seen it, we pretty much have our stuff here. LOL, my Razor scooter. So it doesn't look like we have crazy amounts of stuff. All my plants are over there. Really hoping tomorrow morning they're not in shock from moving and are not dead. Well, okay, this clearly looks really bad. I don't know, I'm a bad plant mommy. That leaf was neglected, but the other leaves look so healthy. So I don't know what happened. These chairs are kind of new. We've had them for a few months, but they didn't fit in our old home because there were too many of them and they were actually accidentally sent. That sounds insane, but I was working with a brand and they sent me the chairs that we actually needed for the campaign, but they also sent 6 extra chairs. And we're in a larger space now, so we kept them. And we're just gonna be unpacking.
But our goal is tonight, do the kitchen. So we can like eat and relax tonight because we're gonna just be so, I mean, we're probably gonna pass out.
We're gonna pass out.
Hand in hand.
Pots and pans should go like in these.
Yeah, they're deep enough.
They're deep and they're right next to the oven and stuff.
Yeah. We're trying to strategize on where to place things in our kitchen. And my mom, she always, well, maybe everyone does this. It's common sense, I guess. But think about where you grab things from while you need them. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and we made good progress in the kitchen. So we got majority of things packed and put away in here and are loving this morning light. There's some skylights up there, which is really nice. But before I end this vlog, I wanted to show you, we're trying to be like pantry organized gals. And we have these bins for like our baked goods, our cans, nut butters and stuff, packaged food. We'll see how it works. Today is gonna be just a wild work day and we are gonna dive into that right now, but I wanted to say goodbye to you guys properly on this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if it was chaotic, but I hope that you enjoyed it and I also hope that you have an amazing week. You already know who you are. You know what you is. You the best, you the baddest, and I love you so much. Bye. You ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey. No one can do it like you.